Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach Chatgpt how helpful to programmers. Very simple. Okay. So when you are going to write the programming, sometimes you may get the error, right? You are stuck with that error. Many times you have tried to solve the problem, you couldn't. So you have somebody to get the help. So the Chatbot is the one who help you. Okay, this is a AI generator. It helps you perfectly well, right? So here let's check the live. Okay, so here this is the Laravel programming. Simply I have mistaken this area. I just mistaken like this, some spelling mistake. I just check, I couldn't find error something. Okay, so here also I have missed something else. Okay, so let's put this code, just copy this, right? Before that, how to do the thing is, first you have to go to the new chat. Here you have to specify what is the language. Okay, so you have to, this is the AI tool. Okay, so you have to tell them to the AI tool, there are so many languages available, which language you are going to act. So I want to change my AI tool as a Laravel. So I want to tell act as a world best Laravel developer. Act as a world best Laravel developer. Press enter key on your keyboard. Right. So here it clearly it will be telling here. Right. Now what you're going to do is here. Now I'm going to here I'm going to tell my problem. Okay. So I'll tell you I will give you the code. You have to correct it. Correct it. Okay, you have to put the colon over here. Here you have to, what the code you have copied, you have to paste it over here. This is your code. This is your code script. Okay, so press enter key. Here you can see here. Here is the correction version. Here it will be corrected. Here's a correction version of the index method. Right here, type of the variable products and categories corrected as product and categories. Here you can see here. It will correct it, right? Type the response function is response, correct is response. Okay, with this error the method should be now correctly return the JSON response with the product and category data, right? Simply you have to correct the problem like this. Okay, so you have to specify the error. Okay, so imagine you have a couple of line of the code, so you have to put it again the edit button. Here you have to structure it here. Press enter key on it. This is the first one, this function. So you have to specify the another one. You have to, here you can see here, put it here, go back to here. I want to get the another one. This is the code area. I have a problem, so some other area. So here also I am put it to this code as well, likewise. So here you can, how many codes available, snippet available, you can check it like this. You click edit button and put it and save and submit. It will be line by line, it will be correcting your error. Okay, this is how we have simple your programming error on your Chatgpt. Okay, it's working fine. You have tried many problems. Okay, so let's do the another one. Let's do the project, another project. So here, right, I get another one. Right, this is a calculated grading system. You can see this is based on Node.js. So you have to tell them to the AI tool. This is the AI generated tool. Okay, so here we have a don't open this one. You have to get the new ChatGPT house. If you are open, you can ask the question on this box, this tab. It is confusing. You are asking you are putting the first one is a act as a world best Laravel developer. It is acting all the chat based on the Laravel developer. If you are going to ask a new question of the another language, it is AI should be confusing. It's not produce the appropriate answer. So you have to, again you have to open the new chat box and ask the new question. So I'm going to first you have to tell them to ChatGPT act as a world best Node.js developer. You have to tell them the AI tool it is going to act which language. So then only it will be changes according to your choice. Okay, what is the language you are telling them to the AI tool? It is act as that based on that language, right? So now what you are going to do is now here you are tell that act as a developer. Now you have to tell them here I am going to execute this program node index.js. Grade is B. Now I am going to some error over here. Some bracket sometime here like this, a bracket. You not to close the bracket, so sometime error. So here also I think the thing is here like this. You have to get to some error, right? So let's save all. Now let's back copy this. You have to tell them I will give you the code. You have to correct the correct the error. Okay, you have to correct it the spelling mistake as well. Put the colon mark and paste the code. Press enter key on your keyboard. Now you can see it will be here. It tell them yes, I can help you the correct error in this code. Here it corrected here error missing the closing the pair here. It will telling that here this is the one liner. Second error is here. Here it tell the line as well. He added the enclosure parameter here it will tell everything what is the mistake you are leave. This is the correct code. You have to put it again, this code. Okay, this correct code you have to put it over here, paste on this. Now you have to save on that. Again you have to run the programming. Now you can get the output which you expect. Okay, this is the simple stuff, man. Very simple. Okay, you have to ask the question and everything. ChatGPT is which is a thing which will be do everything well. Here you can ask anything else. Here I'm going to ask anything, any questions relevant to programming. I want to here you have to tell that the language first act as a Java developer developer act as a Java developer. You can I'm going to ask the question one question which is based on how to add to numbers in Java using console application. There are various applications we can develop in Java. You can tell them to the AI which application you have to generate at two numbers. I tell them to them tool which is a console application. Here first you have to import here. It simply it will be answer it here. You have to import the scanner tool. With the input you have to enter the first number, second number. After that, the number should two numbers are added, calculated and display the output assigned to the sum. Here the output has been printed over here. Very simple. Okay, you have to try those all the things. This is how we have the ChatGPT is very helpful us to write the code for programmers. You have to try them. If you have ran into any problem while you are writing the code, this tool which will be help you to learn. Thank you for watching.